Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge with a 366 horsepower Ram Air 3 V8 and a 4-speed. And I'll read from the Mecum auction site, which is where the car was sold. And it went through the Dallas-Fort Worth 2025 auction on Saturday, November 1st, and it was lot number S91. If you're interested in taking a look and seeing some more pictures. And it reads 90,701 miles, 366 horsepower Ram Air 3 V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, Delco AM/FM radio, bucket seats and console, rear wing, Rally 2 wheels, Firestone wide oval tires, PHS documentation. And he on the website on Mecum, I don't have a picture of it, but they have a picture of the dealer invoice on it. The retail price, the sticker price, was $3,760.86, and the dealer cost was $3,058.07. And it was shipped on April 17th, 1969. And the selling dealer's name was Kenneth Hammersley Pontiac, Inc., 12th and Tilden Streets, Lynchburg, Virginia, 24501. So that's interesting. If you're interested in seeing that, that's on the Mecum website if you want into the numbers and that type of stuff. But it sold for $79,200 at the Mecum Dallas-Fort Worth auction 2025 in Fort Worth, Texas. And like I said, it was Saturday, November 1st, 2025, and the lot number was S91. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. By the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.